Students, welcome to the class. This is we have done. Previously, we were doing about some of the topic related to basic geometry, and the same we'll be discussing today about the basic geometry now. Let's check it out. We have done till the concept of pair of angles.
सर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स हमने कर सारे कर दिए थे, हम लोग स्लाइड अगली स्लाइड पे थे.
Yes. So now we'll be discussing about these types of angles. Now we'll be solving these types of angles. Okay. So let's start with the class. This is about supplementary angle, and in which you can see in case of supplementary angle, there's an angle X and the angle is 118 degree. So in this case, how will we solve it? If this type of problem comes, we'll see that if we will be looking for that this is an angle of straight line angle, means supplementary angle. So it means their sum must be equal to x plus 118 must be equal to 180 degree, because their sum is once on a straight line. So that's why this makes an equation, and in this equation we will see that which is on the right place and which is on the wrong place. So this is the variable side. In variable side, variable is the right place, numbers are at the wrong place. On the number side, numbers is at the right place. So we'll be dealing with this number because this is not the wrong place. So how will we solve it? We'll be writing that x plus 118 is equal 180, and now we will be removing that number by minus 118, because this was plus 118. We'll be writing reverse of it, minus 118.
Sir, it's yesterday's topic.
Yes, this is the yesterday's continuity of the topic. 118 to make it balance, because this is equal sign. To make it balance, we will do the same. So that's why our answer will be of, we'll be cancelling this one. So we have x is equal 118. If we'll be subtracting 118, so it will give us 52 degree. So this is here 62. Okay. Good. Good enough. So now, like this, you may solve the question. Okay. Come to the next one. In the next problem, here you can see this we have done. Now, this again, you can see a straight line angle. Straight line angle means again a supplementary angle. So we'll see that there is a straight line, and one line is up, and two angles are here, which is of 55 degree and 40 degree and x. So how will we solving this type of problem? So let's check it out.
Sir, we will plus.
Yes, yes, we'll be doing add. It looks like one more thing before solving this. One more thing I would like to share. Taha, please make your mic mute. Okay. Okay, now this looks like 90, but this is not 90 because it is not given. If this was like this shape, square shape shows that this is of 90, but this shape is not given, so it means we are not sure about this is 90. So will be solved accordingly that this is on a straight line, and a straight line angles makes 180 degrees. So we'll say that x plus 55 plus 40 degree is equal 180 degree, and then we'll solve it. So we'll be first of all we'll be adding the number with add number. So x plus 95 is equal 180 degree, and now this is an equation. In this equation you can see that variable on the variable side, okay, but number on the variable side wrong place, number at the number side right place. So we'll be solving this one. So how will we solve it? While writing x plus 95 is equal to 180, right number, but the wrong place will be dealt with, wrong number will be dealt with reverse number, means plus 95 means minus 95, and because of this equal sign it says that whatever we do here we'll do the same on the other side to make it balanced. So that's why it becomes cancel, and then we have the value of x as equal to 85. So like this we can solve the problem. Okay. Okay, now come to the problem again. Here is the problem. We've done this. Now what about this one? This is again supplementary angle, but now most of algebra is involved here. So let's see how we'll be solving it. We'll be solving that. This is a problem in which one is a straight line and we have two angles. One is of x plus 3 and one is of x minus 6. So how will we solve it? We'll be solving that in this in the same way as we have done previously. That will say that this is of straight line angle, so this makes 180. So that's why we'll be writing that 2x plus 3 plus x minus 6 is equal 180. So now this makes an equation, and in equation first of all we'll be arranging the pair, arranging the terms. 2x will be arranged with x, 3 will be arranged with minus 6. So now let's check it out. How will be writing 2x and plus x, and similarly there's someone is letting me in, getting want permission. Okay, who is there? Ryan. Okay. Okay, then now there is a number and 2x plus x, and then the next number is plus 3 and minus 6. So plus 3 and minus 6 is equal 180. Okay, now if this is x, it means if there is x and have no number, it means it has 1. So it means 2x plus 1x is 3x, and these are different signs, so we'll be subtracting. So 6 minus 3 is 3, and keep the bigger number sign. So minus 3 is equal 180. Now we'll be looking for the right place and wrong place. This is a variable, right place, number at the variable side, wrong place, variable, a number at the number side, right place. So we'll be dealing this number now. So we'll write that 3x minus 3 is equal 180, and to deal with minus 3 we'll be dealing plus 3. Minus 3 will be dealt with plus 3, but because of equal sign we'll do the same thing on the other side. So it gives us cancellation of minus 3 and plus 3. So we have only 3x is equal 183. So now we don't need this number now. Now we'll be dealing this number. So
Then
this
we
is the
will
wrong place. So we'll be doing
right.
divide by 3. Okay, not minus 3,
Yes.
because this is multiplying with x. So that's why we'll be dividing. So divide by 3 to make it balance. We'll do the same. Yeah.
3 6 are 8.
Good.
And 3 1 are 3.
Yeah, so this
61.
will be cancelling, and 3 6 are 18 and 3 was a 3. So x is equal 61. So like this we can do it. Yes, you are right. Good. So now we'll be looking for the second slide. Now this is we have done. Now supplementary angle we have done. Now angle at a point problems. This is a problem you can see, and this is, you can see that angles all around. So that's why we could say that this is angle at a point. And now, yeah. So how will we be solving this? We'll write that this one is C, one is 63, one is 50, one is 110, and one is 75. 75, 50, and then 75,
Sir, आपकी
and
screen
then
नहीं show हो
it
रही.
is of 110, sorry, 110. And now let's check it out that how will we solve it now. We'll be solving this by this way. Now we know that this is all around, and all around angle sum will be equal to 360 degree angle at a point.
नहीं
So that's why
सॉरी
we say that yes, C
सर आप
plus 63 plus 50 plus 75 plus 110 is equal 360 degree. Okay, so like this we'll be solving. Now we'll be adding these all numbers first to make this equation clear. So C plus 63, 50. So let them add 63, 50, 75, 110. So it becomes 8, and 6 plus 5, 11 plus 7, 18 plus 1, 9, and 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So it becomes plus 298 is equal 360. Now in this equation you can see that this is an equation which is showing some right place and wrong place. It's the right place, wrong place, right place. That's just 360, sorry. This is not 36, 360. So now how will we be dealing? We'll be writing the same way.
C is equal to
Just
62.
yeah, C plus 298, you are right, 360. And those who have done it earlier, they are very great. I'm very grateful for them. And to make them clear, plus 298 minus 298 and minus 298. So this cancels, so it gives us C is equal, how much? 60?
62.
2. Good. So this is like the problem you could solve this type of problem. Okay? So hopefully you understand this one. So now come to the
Yes.
next one. Next problem is there is about a problem in this one here. Again the same type of problem. And in this problem what we do? We'll be doing the same way. Uh, 117 is there, and 146 and 117 and E is there. So let's check it out how we'll be solving this one. And this will be solved like this one. Because of this makes 360
Sir,
degree complete angle all around. Huh? So
Sir,
that's why
131.
360. Yes. E
Sir,
plus
97 is the answer.
146
Sir,
is
E is
equal to 360.
Sir, E is
Sir,
equal to
97 is the answer.
97.
97 is the answer.
97.
97.
Yes, sir.
Well done. So you are very much smart enough. Well done, you all class. So like this, you may solve the question. Now, one more question. Now we are going towards the more complicated question, technical question. So let's see. Now, this is about a question. This is about a shape in which variable is involved, but in a different way. So see this equation shape. There is one y is there, then
That screen
99
on
is there, and then 2y is here, and then 65 is here,
Sir, I cannot see
and
the
then
screen.
109 is there.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Okay, I'm showing it again.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Okay, now I'm showing it again. Can you see now? Clear?
No,
Could
sir.
you see it
No,
now?
sir.
No. So I would advise you to please reconnect yourself, leave the class and reconnect. Then you'll be able to see it. Okay?
Sir, अब आ गई है.
Okay. Now come to this shape.
Sir,
This is
yes.
again. Okay, good. This is again a 360 degree. This is complete 360 degree. So it means we'll be adding them all. We'll say that first we'll be
Sir,
adding
y
the
is equal to
variable.
85.
2y plus y plus 99 plus 65 plus 109 is equal 360. Now we'll be adding the numbers and adding the variables. So this is y means 1y. So 2y plus 1y is 3y. And 99 plus 65 plus 109 is how much? Let's check it out. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. And 2 carry. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 17. 17. 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 273. So plus 273 is equal 360 degree. Now in this one, again you can see that one is right place, one is wrong place and right place. So we'll be dealing this one. So how will we dealing this one? Let's check it out.
Sir, minus
Now,
minus
yes,
minus
we will be
273.
So 3y plus 273 and 360. Now we will be subtracting plus 273. So minus 273, and to make it balance minus 273. So it gives us cancellation. So 3y is equal 360 minus 273. 273 and carry 5 becomes 10, 7 and carry 15 and 87.
87.
So it becomes 87. But this is the value of 3y. It is the value of 3y. But we need the value of y. What to do now? We need to remove this one because this is the right place. So divided by 3. And to make it balance, we'll do the same, divide by 3 on the other side. This cancels.
5 to 29.
3 twos are 6. And wait a minute. 3 nines are 29. So y is equal 29. You have done a great job now. So I'm happy you are much more involved in that and you are doing it very quickly. Well done, class. Now come to the next question. The next question is about, let me see. The next question is about this one we have done now, and now this is about, and I'm leaving this question for you. I'll be sharing the worksheet with you so you can see it. Okay. Now to this one. This is about a vertical angle, vertically opposite angles. We discussed yesterday that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal.
Equal.
So this makes a little bit complicated equation, advanced level equation. So we'll be solving this as well, and I hope we can do it. X plus 16 and other side is 4x minus 5. So how will we solving that? Let's see. We'll be solving like that opposite angles are equal. So that's why we'll say that x plus 16 is equal 4x minus 5. Now this makes an equation, and we can see that there is a variable side and there is a number side. On variable side, variable is fine. On variable side, number is not fine, wrong place. Number side
Minus
variable is
16.
wrong place. And this is right place, number on a number side. So we'll be dealing these types of numbers. So let's check it out. How will we solving this? X plus 16 is equal 4x minus 5. So how will we dealing these numbers? So plus 16 will deal by minus 16 because this was the wrong place. So we'll be dealing with the same one by minus 16 to make it balance, to do the same on the other side. And this was also wrong place, so it will be done with plus 4x will become minus 4x. And to make it balance, we'll writing a minus 4x here. So now this will be cancelled, yes, and this will be cancelled. So it becomes, now this is of 1x. If this no number is 1x,
3x.
minus 3x and minus 21, same sign, and keep the bigger numbers sign. Same sign means add. Okay. So minus 3x is minus 21. Now we don't need minus 3. What to do? We'll be dividing it by minus 3 to make it remove. And to make it balance, we'll do the same on the other side. Minus minus cancel and minus minus cancel and 7. So x is equal 7. So you see that whenever you have a problem like this, vertically opposite angles are equal. And for solving equal equation, we will be solving like linear equation. We have done it and solving linear equation, and we'll be solving like this. First, we'll be removing the individual number, and then we'll be removing the part of variable number by dividing. Individual number will be removed by plus or minus, and part of the variable will be removed by dividing. Okay, so hope you understand this. Now come to the next problem.
Sir, ये last question है.
Yes, this is the last type of problem. Now here's the shape. Here's the shape. In this shape, how will be solving? Now let's check it out. I'm just giving a hint, and I'll not be solving. I'll leave it for you to solve this. First of all, you have one line and another line which is making 90 degree, and the other side is there which is
Right
making
angle है, right angle है, straight line है. मैं आपका नाम.
okay. There's one angle. There is 15x plus 18 and 5y minus 3 and 11x plus 34. So now we'll be looking for this shape now. How are we solving this? Let's check it out. Now this one. Now we could see that we'll be solving these two. These two are vertically opposite angle. These two are vertically opposite angles, so that's why these angles are off. We'll say that 15x plus 18 is equal 11x plus 34, and you'll solve accordingly. Okay. Similarly, rest of the equation you will not be dealing this one because this is a difficult one because there's no variable here. So that's why we will not be able to. Was this any variable here? Let me check it out. If there's a variable, there must be a variable. No variable. So then we don't need to solve this. Okay. So then come to the problem. Next problem. And next problem is that about this one. How will solve this? This is an angle at a point. An angle at a point. How will be solving this one? Sum of these all angles will be equal to 360 degrees. You have seen this. This is angle at a point, and this is 45 degree. One angle is 3x. Another angle is 3x minus 23, and another angle is x plus 44. So we'll be solving as we have done previously. That we'll be adding them all, or we said that this is equal to 360. We'll say that this all makes 360 degree. 360. So we'll be adding them all. So 3x plus 3x minus 23 plus x plus 44 plus 45 is equal to 360. So we'll be solving this problem, and you can solve it individually. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so try to do it. Now come to the next problem. Next problem is about this one. This is the problem, main problem. Can you see the problem? Okay. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you understand. If you have any query, you may ask me about it. So, thank you. Hafiz.